Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll try to find the slope of that function f of x at the point 0 and f of 0, then find the equation of that tangent. I know the slope of a tangent is f prime of x. F prime of x is the slope. So let's calculate f prime of x. If I look at my f of x, it resembles like u times v, and f prime of x would be u prime v plus u v prime. So the derivative of u times v plus u times the derivative of v. So in that case, my u is equal 4x minus 1 square. So my du, the derivative of u, is 2 times 4x minus 1 multiplied by the derivative of 4x minus 1, which is times 4. So my du or u prime or du, it is equal, 4 times 2 is 8, 4x minus 1. And here my v is equal 2 minus 3x to the power of 2, and my v prime would be 2 times 2 minus 3x multiplied by the derivative of 2 minus 3x, which is minus 3. So my v prime would be minus 6 to minus 3x. And if I want to apply the formula u prime v plus u v prime, it would be, so f prime of x, my u prime is equal this, u prime 4x minus 1 times v, which is here 2 minus 3x to the power of 2 u prime y plus u, my u is this 4x minus 1 square times v prime, which is here, times minus 6 times 2 minus 3x. So if I look at my f prime of x, I can see that there is 4x minus 1 here and 4x minus 1 here, and 2 minus 3x and 2 minus 3x here. So I can factor out, and I have 6 and 8. Both of them are divisible by 2. So now I can factor out f prime of x equal 2 and times 4x minus 1 times 2 minus 3x, and I open my break parentheses, my 8 become 4 because I multiply it by this 2. 4x minus 1 is already here. I'm missing 2 minus 3x because I had it to the power of 2 plus, and then the minus 6, I have the 2 here, so it become minus 3. Minus 3. 4x minus 1, I have it once, but I have it to the power of 2 here, so it becomes 4x minus 1. And 2 minus 3x, I already have it. I already factored it out. So that would be my f prime of x. Now let's work inside my big bracket. My big bracket here. Let's get rid of the parentheses. So f prime of x is equal to 4x minus 1 times 2 minus 3x, and here 4 times 2 is equal 8 times 8 minus 12x, because 4 times 3 is 12. Let's put the one in a better way. Minus, plus times minus is minus, 3 times 4 is 12x, and here I had my big parentheses, yeah, plus 3. Now let's get rid of all the parentheses here. Well, actually I can get rid of them without rewriting it, so because there is a plus before. So my f prime of x is equal to 2 times 4x minus 1 times 2 minus 3x, and then I have minus 12x, minus 12x is minus 24x, and I have 8 plus 3 is 11. So I have 11 minus 24x. But if you remember, at the end, we want to study the slope at the point 0 and f of 0. So f prime of 0, all what I have to do is replace my x by 0. It becomes 2. 4 times 0 is 0, times minus 1 is minus 1, times 2. 3 times 0 is 0, so 2 minus 0, I won't write it, times 11 minus 24 times 0 is 0. So this is equal, 2 times 2 is 4, times minus 1 is minus 4, minus 4 times 11 is minus 44. So I know f prime of x is my slope, so my equation would become y equal minus 44x plus a constant here. Let's call it k for a constant. And now I have to calculate k, but I wanted my point at the point 0 and f of 0. So if I replace f of 0 here, I replace my x by 0. I'm working on that function now. So 4 times 0 is 0, minus 1 square is 1, and 3 times 0 is 0, and 2 square is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So f of 0 is equal to 4. So let's write it here. F of 0 is equal to 4. And I know the equation of a line, my constant here is where it hit the y-axis. And where it hit the y-axis is when x is equal to 0. And here I calculated when x equal to 0, my y was equal to 4. So the equation of my tangent would be y equal minus 44x plus 4. So I hope that you like my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, your advantage will be every time that I post a new video, you will be notified if you choose to be notified. And trust me, I'm posting almost every day a new video. So you will learn more and you will help me out, because the more that I have subscriber, the better is my channel, and YouTube would pay me when I have 1,000 subscribers. So that's it. And if you like my video, please press on the like button. Thank you for listening.